Hi, it's Chris. I'm going to install one of these Stromberg Carlson flex stairs, the low profile one, on my Promaster van. In the past I just used a Harbor Freight step stool to get in and out of the van because of the high step. Problem was where to keep it when I wasn't using it. It was kind of in the way. I found the stair on Amazon for about 150 bucks. Got the stair. Got some jack stands that I'm gonna use to hold it in place. I had to put it back further than I wanted to because I didn't want this corner hitting the muffler pipe here. There's already a hole in the frame here that the plus nut looks like it will fit right in, so that will save me from having to drill another hole in the frame. I have to drill it on this side. So I've got my Astro plus nut tool and I just push the plus nut up there and I have to squeeze it in. I've got the plus nut installed here. I've got the bolt screwed in and now I can mark it so I can figure out where to drill the hole in the stair frame. I've got the step in place. I'm going to drill the hole over here now. Okay, I've got the next plus nut in. And I have the last plus nut in. Okay, I've mounted the step and I've put a level on it. And I've adjusted this so that it is level. And I've got lock washers and regular washers on it, and I'm gonna cover the whole thing in undercoat, I think. You can see this side here. I was worried about how close this is, but my finger fits in between here and it doesn't seem like it vibrates enough to hit it. I guess I could always bend it out of the way, but I'm gonna see how it works right now. This is the front step here. You can see the back bolt, and again I've adjusted it so that it's level. That's actually a rod. That's the step. That's the step pulled out. Let's see here. It's going to make it much easier to get up in the van. I'm really happy how the step turned out. It makes it so much easier to get in and out of the van, and I don't have to worry about where to store a step stool. So I'll put all the things I used in the video description. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.